If you got this error running your Cyberlink PowerDirector, this means that you need to install, just close it a few times, and that you need to install Microsoft. So you need to install Visual C++ 2012. Just go to the website, you have a link in the description, and click download. If you don't know which is your system type, 64 or this 32, just go right click on your Windows, go to system, and over here you can see system type 64-bit operating system, so we need to download this 64-bit. Click next, download it, start it. I already have this version, so I just click repair. If you don't have it, you will install it, of course. Okay, close it and just run the program. And welcome to PowerDirector.